IKEA. With whom? With my mommy. So yeah, we have headed to IKEA. Mommy, hi Chapu. We are heading inside and there is a long queue in front of entrance gate, so sit tight guys. The weather and my mood have little connection. Beautiful weather, cool climate plus me is equal to happy me. So after waiting 20 minutes outside, finally we have entered into IKEA and I'm so excited. Let's see. So after 6 months we are shopping, so let's check it out. They have taken all the safety measures to prevent the spread of COVID-19. They are taking actions to prevent even crowds. This setup is so beautiful, perfect for balcony and even in garden, perfect for every evening to enjoy the cup of tea or coffee while enjoying the view from your balcony or garden. The ceiling pendant lamp is beautiful. It costs 1300, very reasonable and looks classy. It is so comfortable, perfect for the cozy corner near the window. Someone who is planning for any studio and home, it's a good idea. This costs only $399, which is very reasonable. We can add this leaves plant pot to a white table or any coffee table in our home, which makes it more attractive. We can still add one more white pot. Look how attractive it is. So yeah, so this each one costs $399. This is my favorite section, scented candles. I have tried 2 of these flavors already and green apple is my favorite one. I feel like eating this whenever I smell it, and I have tried 2 of these flavors actually. I need to try another one. Wow, look at this setup. We have so many interior designs. I love you, IKEA. I love you. OMG, look at my hair. It have grown too lengthy. Okay. Wow. Look at that pendant ceiling lamp. Let's go there. So, can you guys see? Can you guys see the cost? Yeah, it costs $4,990. In this design, I like that cozy corner with that chair. The stool is very small and comfortable, looks cute, weight bearable. Let's see cost. It costs $2.99, very reasonable. We have been walking too long, so we are taking a little break. We'll sit some time and continue. See you guys later. Kitchen definitely deserves a stunning design and its layout is parallel. So now let's check out the cabinet storage. Look. And a sink. That's nice, cute window. So we have another cabinet there and a chimney. And the stove and more cabinets to organize all our furniture, all our utensils. So this is another cabinet. You can get really amazing kitchen design ideas at IKEA, which will definitely inspire you to decorate your kitchen, and this costs to 2,38,302 and a 10-year free guarantee. This whole design cost is that. This is everyone's favorite section and obviously mine too, no matter what age it is. I'm grown up, but I'm still like I'm kid when it comes to toys, especially panda. I always feel my spirit animal is panda. Panda and me, we are best friends. I'm done with my shopping and you can see these are all the items I brought. So actually I'll put a picture whatever I have brought and I'll put a tagline of that cost, tag price. So yeah, that's all for today. We are done for the day with my mommy. Heading home, and if you guys like my video, please subscribe to my channel, share, like and comment below the video, and do not forget to press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.